Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery Plus on Apple TV step by step clearly. Open your Apple TV and navigate to the App Store. Search for the Discovery Plus app in the App Store. Select the Discovery Plus app from the search results. Click on the Get button to download and install the app. Once the app is installed, open it by selecting the icon from your home screen. You will be greeted with the welcome screen of Discovery Plus. Now, look for the Sign In option on the screen. If you already have an account, select Sign In. For those who don't have an account, choose Start Free Trial or Create Account. Follow the prompts to set up your. Once signed in, you may see a unique activation code on your screen. Take note of this activation code. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Go to the website www.discoveryplus.com/activate. Enter the activation code you noted earlier into the designated field. Select Activate to proceed. You should see a confirmation message indicating your Apple TV is now activated. Return to your Apple TV. You can now enjoy all the content available on Discovery Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.